Da da. Mom. Da 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 da. Da mom. Da mom. Mama.
My name is Tali, Alisa, Hafoka. I'm half Samoan and half white, and I'm married to a Tongan. I am a painter. I am a mother. My daughter's milk supply. I was born in Hawai'i. My dad is Samoan, and he came there to go to school. My dad is a painter. He's a muralist. His work has been doing public murals in Hawaii. Most of them have been through the State of Hawaii Foundation of Arts. My mom is white. She's from California. She grew up in Northern California. An affluent family. My mom's very A-type personality, very outgoing, very assertive. You know, when she has an idea, she goes and starts whatever. She jumps into action right away when she has an idea. And my dad is very thoughtful and very quiet and very particular in the way he does things. It amazes me that they work so well as a couple because they are so different. Their backgrounds are so different, and that's so apparent in who they are and what they do and how they communicate and everything that they do. Where they come from is totally part of them. My graduate work ended up being this more overt cultural imagery. I did it about a luau, or a Polynesian feast. It was about the feast, but it was also about my experience growing up in Hawaii as a Samoan Caucasian person growing up in Hawaii. So I had these at least three different cultural influences. In my dad's family, I felt like we were a little bit more white than everyone. In my mom's family, I felt like we were brown compared to everyone else. The too brown to be white, too white to be brown was definitely something that I wanted to speak about in my graduate work.
These look alike.
What do they have in common?
They have in common is their feet. No, their tail.
That's right. You know what else? They're both whales. Yep. Being a mom is it's so amazing and surreal to know that these little people are part of you and that they're connected to you in this way, and it's so amazing that they're so trusting of everything you say and so eager to be around you and to believe you and to learn from you. That part is amazing, and then you couple that with the responsibility of shaping this human being. It's not just a kid that needs to eat today and be clean and sleep, but it's also a human being that needs to grow up and be a functioning person. That responsibility is so overwhelming on a daily basis, with the responsibility of just the daily, keeping them clothed and fed and clean. But then it's also so rewarding because when your child does something good independently of you, when you've tried to teach them how to treat other people or how to take care of themselves or how to respond in bad situations, and then they do it, it's so rewarding. When some kid falls on the playground and then my child walks over and helps them up and says, "Are you okay?" And then it's oh, okay, it's all worth it. I want them to not have a deficit view of any community that they're tied to or where they've come from or where we've come from even, where Noke and I have come from. I want them to recognize where Noke has come from, where I have come from, as this beautiful privilege that they get to be connected to all these wonderful communities. And that all of the privilege that they experience now and that we experience now really comes from those communities.